Hey guys, Menchi here, and today I'm going to show you a remix. I made a remix for a remix contest. I don't want to participate because I made this track, this remix, just for my another channel. But I wanted to show you how I made it. I made it in style of drum and bass, jungle, something like that, something like between these styles. And I wanted to show you how we can change this remix to the track. Yeah, I have some vocals, in English language, of course, and I wanted to show how to make something like a change from the remix to original track. Let's imagine I took part in the contest and I didn't win. Then I decided to make my own track. So what should I do? I should delete all the vocals and use other vocals, maybe use other chords, etc. But let me show you what we have here, and I'll explain how I made it, and then we will change this track a bit. It sounds like that.
Взгляни на небо, посмотри, как плывут облака, и солнца свет нам с тобой не поймать никогда. Наш мир убогий, и в нем нет ни капли души, везде пороги, ну а ты не сдавайся, дыши.
It sounds like that, and so let's change something, but first let me explain what I used in this track. Of course, I used some loops because I didn't produce a track in a drum and bass or jungle style before. It's something like a debut in this style, but let me know, by the way, in the comments what do you think, guys. So let's start from the kick. It sounds something like that. I used a basic compressor here. You can check the settings on your screen. Then I decided to make this snare. It sounds like that. I used equalizer here and Camel Crusher. Camel Crusher is just for compensation of the volume, because I don't want to make it louder here, and that's why I use Camel Crusher. Then we have a head, the same processing. It's something like a rim shot. Then we have this loop. And we have this loop. I decided to slice it because it sounds like that. I made it more in the style of my rhythm section. And it sounds like that. Also, I used something like a fills. It sounds like that, by the way, cool fills. And we have a tambourine here. So it's drums for the drums for the first drop. By the way, on other drop I decided to use a bit more drum and bassy drums, because here I use drums from the genre called jungle, and here we have more drum and bass drums. can hear the difference in the bass section and in the drum section. Of course, drums here sounds more tight and more in drum and bass genre. So what do we need? We need vocals. By the way, I'm going to use these vocals. These vocals are from Trendspec. It's not a drum and bass or something, but this genre I used in this track is more commercial, and I think we can use these vocals here. So we don't need these vocals, and I mute them. Yeah. Then what we need to do? These vocals is in F minor. We have this remix that I showed in A minor, A sharp minor. It's something like a 5 semitones difference, and let's make a track, something like track. I don't want to change key of the vocal, but I will change key of other instruments. So it's 138. We need 164. So let's stretch it. I'll make auto detect, something like that. And we have here a 5th channel for the vocals. Let's use it too. And we need to stretch these vocals as well. 138 and auto. So also 5th channel. So I'm going to use verse and chorus. Honestly, I used here something like a chorus. Here we have melody or stutter fixed vocals. Here we have a verse, and here we have also verse and chorus. I don't know how to make it. Maybe the same feature. Maybe something like that. So let's start from here. I don't know how it sounds because I cut a bit with vocals here.
How can I tell you?
I don't know, maybe sounds cool, I think. So we have here something like a verse. Yes, here we can make a chorus, also chorus and something like that. Yeah. Let's make arrangement like that. And what we should do? We have vocals in the F minor.
How can I tell you?
And of course we need to pitch other instruments. We have A sharp minor.
How can I tell you? You're everything. You're everything. You are the world to me.
It sounds cool. But the last note sounds not so good because it's a 5 semitones difference, and this difference can make a cool effect, but we need to use a F minor here. So let's listen with a new chord.
How can I tell you? You're everything. You're everything. You are the world to me.
Yeah, sounds more cool, of course. And let's use this note 1 octave higher.
How can I tell you everything, everything to me?
Yeah, sounds more cool, of course. So let's make this procedure for other instruments. Let's use F.
How can I tell you? You're everything. You're everything.
Yeah, I think 1 octave higher it sounds better. Let's use the same for this one. Yeah, also we have here something like a melody. It's something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the way, I made something like automation for the cutoff filter. It sounds like that. We pitched all the instruments here, but we have to pitch also this arpeggio and the bass. So let's pitch arpeggio. Sounds like that.
How can I tell you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How can I tell you? You're everything. You're everything.
Also, we need to change this one. Yeah, something like that. Also, we have a pad on the drop. We also have to change it. Okay, something like that. And what we have bass line. It's really important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think sounds good. And the sub bass. Maybe it sounds a bit lower. Let's use 1 octave higher. Yeah, something like that. And we have here yeah, sounds cool. And then we need to change this bass because it's a different bass on this section. Let's use F. Sounds a bit lower too. Yeah, something like that. And sub bass. Yeah, that's it. So we have something like a chorus here, verse, and I made here something like a stutter effects on the vocals. I used just the chorus, but I made a bit other procession here. So let's use this procession for this chorus. Let's copy it. Yeah, we need just the chorus here, something like that. I used 9th channel. Let's use it for these copied vocals. Yeah, and let me explain what I used here. So let's mute these effects.
How can I tell you?
Sounds like that. I used EQ.
How can I tell you?
To cut some frequencies here. Also, I used a lot of reverb, and I didn't use a lot of dry signal. I used a lot of wet signal. And I used this gross beat feature. You can see this presets something like transgate effects. By the way, we can use other effects. Yeah, something like that, but I prefer this first transgate preset. And also, by the way, we have sidechain here. I used limiter we have a kick on the 10th channel, and as you see, I used a lot of sense channel. I made sidechain to these channels because we need to make sidechain, because the track it sounds like a breakbeat or something, because it's not a house rhythm that has something like a straight rhythm. We have not straight rhythm here, and also we don't have it here. As you see, the kick plays in other places. That's why I decided to use a Fruity limiter instead of kickstart that I am using in a lot of my tracks, and I made something like that. All you need is use this channel that kick has, and you need maybe sidechain 15 channel. You need to make for right click button on your mouse and use sidechain to this track. Then you need to use a comp parameter and use here 1. Yeah. Then we need to make it to threshold NE, something like that, to make this effect. Yeah. Let me show you on my sub bass. As you see, it works just on the places where the kick start to play. Yeah, something like that. Okay. And also it's for other instrument. So let's listen to this track. I'm not sure, maybe I forgot to make something, but let's use this gate to fix vocals here. Yes, something like that. So let's listen to new version. It's something like a track, something like it was a remix for remix contest. Then we have a track.
How can I tell you you're everything? You're everything. You are the world to me. How can I tell you you're everything? You're everything. You are the air that I breathe. Every time you hold me, every time we kiss, words cease to exist. Every day, the same story, trying hard to say, but words won't come my way. How can I tell you you're everything? You're everything. You are the world to me. How can I tell you you're everything? You're everything. You are the air that I breathe. How can I tell you you're everything? You're everything. You are the world to me. How can I tell you you're everything? You're everything. You are the air that I breathe.
So it sounds like that. What do you think, guys? Do you like drum and bass, jungle, and do you like my vision, my version of this track? I don't know. It was my first time when I produce the drum and bass jungle or something. Yeah, I think sounds cool for the first time. I don't know. So Menchi was here. Bye bye, guys.